Hi guys, Wagwan YouTuber, what's going on? So I am back to do a part 2. Yeah, get it, hey. Alright, so let's begin this lesson and let's get a crack-a-lackin'. Like, let's get this show on the road. Are you ready? Are you ready? Alright. So I got a couple things that I want to teach you guys. I'm going to try to be slow because I got some comment and a lot of people like my old YouTube video. I was trying to kind of like make it less so that it won't be too difficult and just kind of like simplify it, but we'll see. The first word we're going to talk about is nose right there. That's my big nose. So this in Jamaica, well, I say in Jamaica, in Patwa, nose is called Nuoz. Nuoz. Right here is my nose. Basically, I said right here is my nose. So nose in Jamaica is called Nuoz. So this is my nose right here. So everybody have a nose. Basically, I said this is my nose right here. Everybody have a nose. We hope. So again, nose. This right here, so is my nose. So this right here is my nose. And the word cake, you would think we say cake. We say kiek. Cake is kiek. So you say, for instance, you're going to make someone a cake. You could be like, may I make you a cake? I am going to make you a cake. May I go make you a cake? So cake is kiek. And that's spelled K-I-E-K. So cake is kiek. May I make you a cake? I'm going to make you a cake. Simple, right? And then mango. You would think mango is mango. No, a mango. Mango is mango. So mango. All right. Me like to eat a lot of mango, especially when we go to Jamaica. Me always I eat the mango. Basically, I said I like to eat a lot of mango, especially when I go to Jamaica. I eat a lot of mango. So say for instance you want a mango, you go to the store and say, "I want a mango. Want a mango, you know? Give me a mango. That's what I want. I want a mango. Give me a mango. This is what I want." So you go in the supermarket, you're picking up a mango. You be like, "May I buy a mango today? May I go buy a mango today? I'm going to buy a mango today." Or you could say, "Mango is my favorite fruit." You can say, "Me like mango. I'm a favorite fruit." Right? That's so. Me like mango. Mango, I'm a favorite fruit. All right. And then I like this one. Every night, everyone go to sleep. You sleep with a pillow. So how do you say pillow in Patwa? Pila. So pillow in Patwa, Pila. Pila, it's P-I-L-A. Pillow is Pila. Me I go lay a bed and sleep on my pillow tonight and rest up. I'm going to go to bed tonight and sleep in my pillow and rest up. So me I go sleep on my pillow tonight and rest. I'm going to sleep on my pillow tonight and rest. So Pila, I'm going to sleep on my pillow tonight and rest. And pillow is spelled P-I-L-A. P-I-L-A, pillow. So, yeah, that's it. And then I like this one, woman. How do you think you guys say woman in Jamaica? Woman? How do you think you say woman? Uman. U-M-A-N. U-M-A-N is for woman. In English, we say woman. In Patwa, Uman. U-M-A-N. That time your woman right there, so nobody touch her. That's my woman right there. Nobody touch her. Do not touch her. A female woman right there, so. Basically, I said, it's my woman right there. So a man will say, a female woman right there, so. It's my woman right there, okay? And again, woman is spelled U-M-A-N. U-M-A-N is how you spell woman in Patwa. And then the word nothing, how you say nothing is Nutten. Nothing is Nutten. N-U-T-T-E-N. So nothing is N-U-T-T-E-N. And you could like, say for instance, with the prior word, when we say wagwan, you could respond nothing agwan. So wagwan, what's going on? And you could respond nothing agwan. So wagwan, nothing agwan. You know, it's like a response. Someone saying what's up, and you respond nothing, N-U-T-T-N, agwan. Nothing is up, you know, basically. And again, nothing is spelled N-U-T-T-E-N, nothing. Okay? And in addition to that, I like this one because I use this a lot when speaking to my mother and my father. My mother, wait, let me calm down because sometimes I feel like I speak too fast and then, I don't know. So mother in Patwa is Madda. So mother in Patwa is Madda. Madda. Madda is Madda. So mother is Madda. So I feel me mother that. I feel me mother that. That's so you know. That's my mother right there. And my mother. And my mother is that's my mother. And my mother, that's my mother. And my mother is that's my mother. And then father is spelled fahda. Fhada. Father, Fhada. So I feel me father. That's my father. Alright, like what I say, I call my father sometimes daddy. I don't know if a lot of people, do that, but I call my father daddy. That's my daddy. Alright, that's my father. That's my mommy. Alright, that's my mama. Alright, that's my papa. So it's like basically Madda is Madda for mother. Father is Fahda. Fahda. Fahda, Madda. Fahda, Madda. Father, mother. Pretty, fairly simple. And that's basically what I want to discuss with you guys. And then I'm going to go over it one more time. And nose. Nose, you spell that Nuoz. 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 So Nuoz. My nose is Nuoz. Okay? And then cake, you spell Kiek. 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 So that's my cake. Me like cake. I like cake, And mango, you spell Manggo. Manggo. Mango. Mango is mango, I feel like I'm emphasizing on the word like a lot. And pillow is Pila. Pila. Pillow is Pila. Pila. And then woman is Uman. Uman. Uman, And then nothing is Nutten. 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 Okay? And mother is Madda for mother. And father is Fahda. 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 Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. I feel like when I record my videos, I don't know, I feel like I'm intense. I don't know. It's weird. Hope you enjoy the lesson. Let's the lesson. Okay. So my Nuoz right there, sir. That's my Nuoz. Kiek, me love to eat cake, I love to eat cake. And then mango, me eat mango a lot. So when me go to Jamaica, me eat the mango. When I go to Jamaica, me eat the mango. So when I go to Jamaica, I eat the mango. Uman, a lot of men in Jamaica have a lot of woman because they're my girls. Basically, I said a lot of men in Jamaica has a lot of women because they pretty much, they're whores. Just kidding. And nothing going on over here, so me just single and I chill. Basically what I said, nothing is going on over here. I'm single, just chilling. I have a mother and a father that I love very much. Them are my mother and my father. I call them daddy. I call them mummy. Basically, I said I have a mother and a father that I love very much. I call them mummy, which is mother, and daddy, which is father. Or you can say mother and father, which is, your mother and your father. Hope you guys enjoy the lesson. And let me show you my outfit. My outfit, guys. I just wore a dress. Yay. Hey. Dab. I can't dab. I feel like I can't dance, but the one thing I know is I can't whine. Wind up your waist. Whine. I can't whine. Follow me on Snapchat. Like, subscribe, and comment below on my video. Comment below on my video. Comment on my video. Alright, guys. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. From the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you guys. I'm happy I came back to YouTube and start making video because, again, sometimes life could get to you, and things happen that's beyond your control. So my best advice is, no matter what you go through in life, keep on trucking and just have faith and believe that, everything happened for a reason, and with God, all things are possible, and you will come out on top. Just know things won't happen when it's supposed to happen. It's just going to happen in the midst of time, in the right time. And I don't know, life has gotten the best of me, but I'm going to come out on top. I know I'm trusting in God that everything that I lost, I will gain in the end, because I'm definitely dealing with a lot. Being in a new state, it's hard. Not being with your family, not being with your friends. It's definitely hard. Meeting new people, getting to know people, and it's a struggle. But I know this too shall pass, and everything will line up. Not in my timing, but in God timing. Love you guys.